Rollovers are a tried and true technique used in the web to indicate user selection or interest. Dreamweaver offers a number of ways for you to work with rollovers. Under the hood, Dreamweaver applies a number of JavaScript behaviors to swap the image source from one image to another in order to effect the rollover. Rollovers generally start in your graphics editor. Let's switch over to Fireworks, where I have a navigation bar lined up that show the up state and the over state. Each of these graphic buttons is individually sliced and exported. I'll turn on the slices so that you can see them all, and each one, as you see, is a different GIF. I've already exported them individually and brought them into my Dreamweaver site. So now I can bring them in as rollovers. Let's start by placing my cursor in the menu navigation area, and from the common category of the insert bar, I'll choose rollover image. I'll give this a more specific name and browse to my original image. This will be the up image that is displayed initially. Next, I'll browse to the image I want to display when the user's mouse rolls over it, which will be home over. I can give it alternate text here and even indicate where it should go when clicked. Dreamweaver displays the up image initially. I can follow the same process for adding a second button. Again, choose rollover image. Now I'll name this one Products and browse to my Products up image. Follow the same process for Products over. Notice that the preload rollover image option is selected. This is very important because it allows the page visitor not to see any delay when they roll over the image. The secondary image that is displayed on rollover is preloaded when the page loads. Now, to show you a little bit about what's actually happening here, let's select this image, and I'll go to my Behaviors panel. Here you can see that there are two behaviors that are being applied, a swap image and a swap image restore. Let's bring in one image just by itself and apply those behaviors manually. I'll bring in the company image, give it a little alternate text. I'm also going to have to name that image. This corresponds to the ID that we saw in the rollover before. And let's give it a link. Now, I can select the link or the image and apply the behavior. Swap image. And now all I need to do is set the source to what it should swap the image to. In this case, it will be company over. This effectively is the same thing that you were doing with the rollover object. To complete this menu bar, I'll add a final image and go through the same process. Give it a name, give it a link, add the behavior, and I'm done. Now when I preview this in the browser, saving it first, every time my mouse rolls over, the image swaps from one source to another. The perfect rollover from Dreamweaver CS3.